This is the training guide for the Cres Cor Proof and Hot cabinet. The controller consists of the power switch, yellow power indicator light, humidity thermostat, air thermostat, indicator light for proof or heat, mode selection switch, and internal thermometer gauge. How to proof. Start by filling the water pan in the bottom of the cabinet cavity. Push the power switch to on. The yellow indicator light will turn on. Push the mode selection switch to proof. The yellow indicator light for proof will turn on. Turn the humidity dial to number 8. Turn the air dial to off. Preheat for 30 minutes before adding fresh or fully thawed dough to the cabinet. Experiment with different humidity and air settings to get the exact temperature and humidity you need. How to hold. Push the power switch to on. The yellow indicator light will turn on. Push the mode selection switch to heat. The red indicator for heat will turn on. Turn the air dial to the desired temperature setting. Preheat the cabinet for 30 minutes before adding hot food. Adjust the humidity dial to the desired humidity level. How to clean. Do not use abrasive or harsh chemicals. Use a mild detergent and water. Rinse and wipe dry with a soft cloth. Wipe up spills as soon as possible and clean the cabinet regularly to avoid heavy dirt buildup. Empty the water pan at least once a week.